welcome back to my channel. My name is The Great Tay Tay. If it's your first time here, welcome. So for today's video, you guys, I'm going to show y'all how I made this wig cap, y'all. I did this in less than 15 minutes, okay? That's what I said. 15 minutes. I used the glue gun method, so stay tuned, you guys. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I'll be working with my Passion Twist Braid from Janet Collections. You guys, it's 24 inches. I bought it at my local beauty supply store. I will be using my hot glue gun, and also I'll be working with this cap today, you guys. I bought it at my local dollar store, and this is what the inside of the cap looks like. I will be working with my 21-inch circumference blockhead, canvas blockhead, because that's the size of my head, so that's the reason why I am using this one. So I will start by flipping the cap over on the canvas head, and what I will be doing in this video, you guys, is I will be gluing the crochet braids on the sides of the cap. So I will be gluing it on the areas there and like around that little part there, and then just kind of like working my way around to the other side. So that's what I will be doing today, you guys. And honestly, this is this my first time using a hot glue gun? Yeah, I think it's my first time since I was a kid, and I just remember it being really messy and just burning my fingers. So now I'm just loading the gun with the glue, and this is what the braids looks like, you guys. And what I really love about it, it's the ends, okay? I love the ends, how, you know, it just has that little swirl at the end. That's what I really love about these crochet braids. So I'll just start off by adding the glue to the cap, and then just pressing on the crochet braids to the cap, and it's just gonna stay there. It's gonna stick. And just keep in mind that this is hot glue, so just be very careful and just be mindful, you know, not to burn yourself while doing this if you do decide to try this method. Now I have another video with me making a wig cap, but I did not use the hot glue method. I stitched the hair to the cap. So that's another way of doing it. The hot glue method, it's faster because I did this in about 15 minutes, to be honest with you guys. Like, it was really fast. But the other method where I sew the hair, the crochet braids to the cap, it took a longer time. I think it took me about an hour or something like that. I don't really remember, but I know it did take a lot of time for me to complete that with the sewing method. So be sure to check that video out, and you can, you know, compare it with this method and see which one works best for you. I think I'm loving the glue method. You know, at first I was thinking like, oh my god, it's gonna be so messy, but you know what, all the glue that's flying all over the place, you can just like pull it off. It's easy because as soon as it goes up, it automatically dries, so it's not like all that messy, you know, as I thought it would have been. So that's pretty much what I am doing, you guys. So I'm just kind of like working my way around the cap, and it's pretty repetitive, but you know, just watch what I'm doing so you can catch every single detail. And also, you guys, if you like videos like this and like other beauty videos, makeup, you know, lifestyle, all that fun stuff, feel free to subscribe to my channel, join the family. It is free. And also leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you like this method. Let me know if this is something that, you know, you're gonna be trying out. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to like this video, okay? Don't forget to like this video. Don't watch this video and not like it, okay? So be sure to do that, you guys. So just continue to watch this video and to see what the end results will look like, and just ensure that you catch every single detail. Okay, so I'll see you guys at the end of the video. All right, another thing, you guys, please follow me on all socials. My personal Instagram, it's at the Great Tay, and my business Instagram page, it's at underscore dash underscore the number 27. So I'll leave both Instagram links in the description bar below, so be sure to follow me. Right now I'm working on wig courses, online wig courses, so if that's something that you may be interested in, you may want to follow me so you can be updated with everything that I'm doing. If you want to learn how to make a wig using the sewing machine, or if you're looking to start your hair business, I'm also working on a couple ebooks as well. So just follow me so you can be updated with everything that I'm doing. Okay, you guys?